Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video of Dope Trades. My name is Deepak and we will be taking a 5-minute trade on IQ option with the help of a simple price action strategy. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our latest updates. And also please consider hitting the thumbs up if you are liking the videos so that the video can also reach out to others and so that they can also learn and earn money. So that is it guys. So without any ado, let's get started.
Hey guys, we are now live on Euro USD, and as it is a Saturday, we are trading on the market. So let me just quickly analyze the market. So it is clear that the market is on a downtrend, and let me just switch my account to real account. And one more thing is I'm going to take only a trade of 100 rupees because I am not that experienced with OTC market, so I will take a smaller amount of trade. We had a breakout here, downward direction, but it's fine. So I have received a suggestion from one of our viewer, a trader, and he's asked me to analyze 1 hour or 30 minutes chart to identify the trend supports. This can be a good resistance level over here. Yes. I'm just marking the key levels. So this is going to be a good key level on the 30-minute time frame, the market to reverse from this area. And you can also use this on a smaller time frame. Let me show you. You can expect the reversal from this area. So let's move back to the 1-minute chart. As you can see, this was the level. So this is the larger time frame resistance level, and this can play as a good minor resistance level. So I'll just skip forward and take the trade, and then I'll explain you the trading setup. Hey guys, we have taken a trade in the downward direction over here, and it's very simple. Let me just finish the trade and then I'll explain you the complete setup. Guys, unfortunately we lost this trade. So first let me explain my trading setup. One is that we go with the trend. As you can see, the major trend is a downtrend. Let me show you that quickly. The major trend is a downtrend, and the market was moving in the downward direction very sharply, and I was waiting for a reversal trade from the retracement. So this was the downward trend. This was the retracement, and as soon as market hit this level, you can see a spinning top candle was formed. So this is an indication of indecision in the market between buyers and sellers. So as you can see, the spinning top candle was formed and a bearish candle was formed. So this was an indication for me to take the trade. Also you can see that the market broke this earlier support level and closed the candle here. So that's the reason why I took this trade. But unfortunately the market cannot go always according to our anticipation, and you can see the market was moving in the downward direction and found a good strong support level from this area and is continuing to move in the upward direction. And one more thing is that I do not have great experience on OTC market. I am still learning and I still need to test and figure out my entries and strategy setup with my OTC market. So that is the reason I just took a trade for 100 rupees, because I was not confident with my setup because I'm still not experienced. However, we could have waited for the market to hit this level. So this is a strong downward trend, and as you can see the market has hit once, twice, and there is a higher possibility for the market to hit this level and reverse take a turn in the downward direction. Anyways, it does not matter to me. Maybe I will go ahead and switch to my practice account and then test this trade over here. But for the real account, I'm done for the day. Just one trade a day, does not matter if it's a profit or a loss. So this is a loss, and the learning lesson for me here is that maybe I should have waited for the market to hit this resistance area and then take the trade. Or however, I cannot tell that this is not an inaccurate setup. This strategy has worked well for us before and can continue working. So this is one of the trades where the setup just did not go according to our anticipation, and it is fine. We still have money left in our account and we are still alive for another day to take a trade in the market. So that is it for today's session, guys, and I thank you all for sticking around and being a part of this journey, and I wish you all a good day and a goodbye.